Hi, I'm Braden here at Equiparts. Today we're going to be talking about drain openers, when to use them, and which ones are best for your particular situation. In front of me we have two of our most popular drain openers. We have the TMS hot drain opener and we have the TMS cold drain opener. Unlike other drain cleaning chemicals, both of these products are septic safe, non-acidic, so they will not damage your pipes. They are still strong enough to dissolve hair, grease, paper, cloth, fat, soap, and more, and are particularly useful in kitchen drains, small drains, traps, tubs, and shower stalls. The cold water activated drain opener is best used for standing water. This is because standing water is cold and cannot be heated. By using the cold water chemical, it can get to work straight away. The hot water drain opener works best in drains where the water is draining, but at a very slow rate. This is common in grease-packed kitchen drains or drains with hair clogs. In short, for a slow-moving drain, use the hot water drain opener, and for standing water, use the cold water drain opener. One tip to keep in mind is that hot water activated drain opener is best applied by pouring the chemical, about 1 tablespoon, into your drain, then pouring a bucket of hot water into the drain on top of the chemical. This is because when you first turn on your faucet after adding the chemical, the water may not be hot enough to activate the reaction, and the chemical will just wash down the drain without doing anything to the clog. Both the hot and cold drain openers can be used for ongoing maintenance to keep lines clear and avoid clogs from happening. We highly recommend keeping these on hand for preventative maintenance to help stop clogs before they happen. About 1 tablespoon a month should keep drains clear. As always, with any chemical, make sure you read all the safety instructions on the label before using. There are situations where at certain times you would not want to use a chemical drain opener. Examples of this would be for if non-biodegradable items would happen to fall into the drain. Some examples of this would be if a small child would drop a toy down the drain, or if there was debris from construction. In this case, you would want to use a specific tool instead of a drain opener. Here at Equiparts, we carry a variety of drain openers, some for very specific reasons and some are for more broad reasons. You can go on our website at equiparts.com under the Drain Cleaner tab. You can also click the link below the video for more information. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.